Okay, so here we are today. We had fixed the valve inside of here, replacing all its guts there, and this thing seems to be backing up. So I'm pretty sure, like the other sink in the other room, this is full of garbage. This is already kind of cross-threaded, and there isn't much room. So yeah, I'm hoping for the best, because there's not much room in there at all. But let's give her a go. We'll get her apart. Okay, so we got her apart. She was filled with quite a bit of crap. Yeah. So let's see if we can zoom in here. Yeah. Can't tell if she's clogged or what have you, but I got some brushes here. We'll go ahead and clean her out the best we can. Okay, so here we are under the toilet. As you can see here, this is all rotten. See the gap in there? So I'm going to have to try to find something to replace that with. Probably have to find it online, because I don't think they're going to sell it at the hardware store. This is a Sloan urinal. So anyway, that's our next project. All right, well, I got this apart. You can clearly see this crack in here, so that's why it's been leaking. I think this is brass or something, but I'm gonna have to do a lot of searching on the internet to try to find this. Hopefully we'll find something. Amazon is usually good. So here we are back at this. This evidently is called the urinal spud, and you can see how this rubber gasket has just deteriorated into nothing, and this is where the leak I played like heck to get this thing out. So yeah, it requires a spud wrench here, but it was so worn it just came out. Here you can see it coming out. I'm playing heck getting this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and chisel this off and make sure I've got enough thread and the proper thread when I order a new one. But that's where she was leaking. Well, there you go. It just took one solid hit with the chisel to get this off. I couldn't get this off, and here you can probably see the split, the crack in this brass right here. I don't know if that was the problem, but this washer right here is definitely gone, and you can see where it was leaking. So anyway, now I got a better idea of what I'm looking for and replace this whole piece. Alrighty.